Good morning everybody, welcome to another magical day. It is day 7?
I don't know.
I think it's day 7 today. It is our last full day in San Francisco and we are doing like our own homemade walking tour of the city. Time is currently just past 8:30?
8:40. Yep.
8:40. Right, so we're about 10 minutes behind on what we should be, but that's fine.
I'm sure we'll make it up.
Yeah, I'm sure. We're pretty fast walkers. Do you see how like
You're right.
just up it goes?
Yeah.
That's actually insane.
I wanted to see Lombard Street.
Yeah, true. We made it to Lombard Street. Look, I'll show you from the other side as well, but how cool.
Check it out here. Here we were yesterday. Got Coit up there.
Yeah.
You gotta see Coit from my angle.
Oh yeah, Coit's there, that little tower thingy. So cool. Here we go guys. This is Lombard Street. It looks so pretty though, doesn't it?
It does.
There's a car coming down. 2 cars. I think the back, oh, the brakes on the back one. So cool. I wonder what would happen if someone tried to go up Lombard.
No, you can't.
No, but like, would your car get stuck because it gets so steep? These are the questions I want to know. We've made it to, can you see it? Coit Tower's over there. But we've made it, and we're puffed out, to say the least.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, but we made it. And
It's worth it though.
oh yeah, like this is the view. So this, I don't know, it's really not coming across on camera how steep that is, and that's what we like went down and then kind of back up the other side over here.
Big roller coaster.
Yeah. Today's a smoggy day, so I don't know how much we'll be able to see, but, well, I don't know how much we'll show on camera, but we'll be able to see it with our own eyes. Coit Tower, which we're gonna go up it if it's open today.
230.
Steep steps.
Yeah.
Alrighty. But look at the view. Totally worth it. Welcome to Chinatown. We are gonna go find the fortune cookie place and maybe some food. I'm hungry. It's morning tea time. We are heading to the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory, which I believe is like one of the first places to have fortune cookies. I think we've decided what fortune cookie we want, which is chocolate covered. I've never found chocolate covered before.
Neither, but we were right.
Yeah, so cool. Okay, but like also we got this really cute little bag. Guys, they're so good when they're warm.
It's lovely.
We made it to the Trans-America building. All the way up to the little point.
Great.
Wow, all the sun flare. We are gonna eat some of the fortune cookies, some of the fine chocolate covered ones. I'm gonna go for a purple one, I reckon.
I'm gonna go purple one as well.
Whoa. What's your fortune?
So, you have to give.
I will be happily surprised by a long-time friend. Interesting.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, you film me?
Yep, chocolate. Alright.
So, tomorrow will be a productive day. Don't oversleep. It's funny because tomorrow we're flying to Hollywood and we really can't oversleep.
Damn, that's pretty cool.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna be up at like 4 AM.
These taste so good with the chocolate.
They do.
What the heck?
I'm a huge fan.
You can never go back to normal fortune cookies now.
Alright.
The Wells Fargo Museum. Don't mind us, we're just going on a little ride through the country. We are now eating at Shake Shack. I'm very hungry. Look how cute. I haven't had Shake Shack since Florida, like 2018.
I haven't had it since.
Ever. Let's eat and enjoy. So we finished lunch, it was really good. And now we are just walking and we stumbled upon this little like farmer's market. How cool. And then we also, what was that building, Dakota?
It's City Hall.
City Hall, it's City Hall.
I don't know if that's counted as a capital.
I don't know, it's so cool with the statue in front, it looks so awesome.
Okay, so we are at City Hall. That is cool. It is huge. Bunch of flags up and down. We've got, oh, so many. Okay, I see the yellow one just here. That's a "Don't Tread on Me" flag. So
What was it? There's the regular US flag, there's the...
I think regular US flag. That looks like a Betsy Ross flag. This one with the circle.
We are here at Alamo Square and we are looking at the Painted Ladies. These are the Painted Ladies. They are famous because of how, what did we saw it online, how decorated they are, how filled, and it represented wealth in the gold rush era. I found the Full House. I love it. So happy that I saw it. I completely understand the sign, the amount of people that must have just come up and knock on these poor people's doors. I love Full House, the series, and I loved Fuller House, the series. So I'm a big fan of the shows. So I'm very happy that I got to see the house or the exterior of the house that they live in. We're having a little break at this like park bench. Which park are we at?
Alta Plaza Park.
Because we walked up a really steep hill. But look, we didn't expect the view to be so nice from the top of this park. It's gorgeous. Point is, I'm very tired and my feet are very sore. Hola everybody. We're back at the room now. It's our last night at the hostel. It's about 7:30. For dinner we just went to Safeway and split like this $8 meal. It was a very filling meal, which is really good. And we did that because now we are repacking suitcases because we have to leave tomorrow like 3:30 a.m. because our bus comes at 4 o'clock.
The guy that we asked at the desk says there's no chance of getting a bus at 3 a.m. for some reason, another 3 hours. So
yeah.
Worst case we just Uber and that'll be fine.
But that is a tomorrow vlog. I'm gonna finish up this vlog. Literally all we're doing is packing suitcases and going to bed. So thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed San Francisco. I certainly have enjoyed San Francisco. I've missed it. I already can't wait to come back and see things that we didn't get to see some things again. Did you enjoy San Francisco?
Yeah, like tiring, but that's the thing. I like being just giving it my all, so.
Yeah, we're really...
history, a lot of walking.
So much walking.
I love the history side of it.
Bedtime?
Yeah, bedtime.
Alrighty. Bye guys.